I haven't been to Dollarama in forever, so I'm super excited to see what's available today. Wow, I was just at Michael's not too long ago, and these were $14 for such similar product. These are cute. I just wish they didn't have gems. $2 a little piece. Oh, I like these taller ones. Could repaint them. You'd have the indents though, which would be still cute. You can even kind of shadow them in with another color paint. That's not bad. Oh wow, these are really super thick, and they have like a front finish that looks like real wood. I used these stickers last year in a DIY for a Halloween layout. They went on the little mercury glass bottles from the Dollar Tree. Well, they're faux mercury, but they looked so cute. Oh, they have like these little felt pieces. Or no, these are foam, but they're similar to the felt ones that you find at Dollar Tree. Oh, these are cute. Little tags. Oh my goodness, I was just looking at the top row thinking I could make a banner, and here they are already made for you. How awesome is that? Oh, I think I have to buy these because they're quite similar to the small ones at Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of 3 on little clips. I have one of these tablecloths. I think I paid $2 for it back in the day. Now they're up to $4, but I love putting it on my front candy table. Just looks really pretty. Oh, these are nice. Cute doilies for wrapping a pocket letter if it was a Halloween themed one. I really need to get working on a Halloween themed pocket letter. This kind of makes me sad. If you are familiar with Canuck and I, it's a Facebook page. Canuck is a federally protected bird in Canada who's gone missing recently. He has a connection or a bond with a human. There's actually a $10,000 reward for his safe return. These are really, really pretty, quite similar to the Dollar Tree ones, but see how they've distressed it and made it different colors to match the decor. So interesting to see this done here. Wow, there's some awesome, really thick. Okay, this one's much thicker than Dollar Tree. They're much thicker. Cute decals on them. Oh, so many cute signs. Wow, you have to be careful. See, these ones here are $4 for a pack of 20 super tips. I just bought them at Walmart for $1.97. The same with the Crayolas. I think mine are actually a pack of 24. Oh, this looks like a good buy. They're green though. So these are like a magic pen. This pen here, it gives you like the option to write, and then there's a little light on it and it shines through, and it's like a secret diary almost. And I think Scarlett paid $20 for hers at Michael's, so that was a really good buy. Like this one here for $4 is a really great buy. Well, check out these little natural wood beans. Now this is a perfect little package, quite similar to the one I got at Dollar Tree that I made a very cute little farmhouse bead tassel with. Oh, look at these little stickers. This is a great buy compared to Michael's. You're going to pay a lot more if you find that roll at Michael's. think these canisters would be really cute with the floral inside of them, so you kind of use them as a vase. They have a lot of the baskets that were hard to find a few months back, and here they are again, restocked. Check this out. Whoa, quite similar to the things that Michael's has right now. Wow. Oh boy, I'm super lucky today to find all these winter things because I actually need some knits. I think my planner girls would probably appreciate something like this to put all of their pens, washi on a traveling need. Oh my goodness, these are the coolest kits ever for $4. Okay, I'm going to say goodbye. I look forward to sharing my haul with you. It's not very big, but I will share it with you. Until next time, everyone, have a wonderful weekend. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.